May tuhod po ba yung Diyos? Wala.
May tuhod. Alam mo, ang tuhod, ginagamit sa pagluhod. No? O, ngayon, sa Biblia, wala akong nababasang tuhod ang Diyos. Nababasa ko sa Biblia, meron siyang mata, may tenga siya, may ilong siya, nakakaamoy siya, meron siyang bibig, may puso siya, may paa siya. Pero wala akong mabasang may tuhod siya.
Paa walang tuhod, balikat ulo. Look, this is about the most foolish teaching I've ever heard, that God doesn't have knees. What's the purpose of knees? What's the use of knees? The knees connect the lower part of my legs to the upper part of my legs. And see, the Bible says man is made in the image of God. Let us make man in our image. And just like I have knees, the spiritual body of God the Father, guess what? He also has knees because we're made in his image. This is just a weird and bizarre teaching. Nobody should take this guy very seriously at all.